Hi friend, today I'm cooking for soup with chicken and daikon. See, so I'm going to clean and cut it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to cut cleaning the chicken first. Okay. So I'm going to cut the meat or chicken breast. Okay, so you have to cut the meat first. I'm gonna take the oil from the chicken breast because it not take good if they have a lot of oil in there. Okay, so I'm gonna cut like small piece. First, I have to cut this kind side like this. Okay, so we gotta cut small piece like this. Okay. You have to cut small piece to make sure that the soup tastes good. If you put the whole thing, it will be good, but it's just better. The small piece is better. So I need to take the oils, get out from the chicken. Okay, so now I'm all set with that meat for that chicken breast. Alright, sound good now. Please help me subscribe, share, comment, okay? So comment below how I'm doing. Alright, so I was finished with the chicken meat right now. So I'm going to clean my pot to make sure it won't be get like dust with the egg around with the chicken. Alright. Thank you very much for your support and watching my video. enjoy my video. Okay, so I will see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.